We'll guide you through how to add text in RoundPath in Blender. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Blender on your computer, then start a new project by choosing General from the Start screen. Select the default cube and delete it by pressing X and confirming the action. Press Shift and A to open the Add menu. Then choose Curve and Circle to create a circular path. Select the circle and scale it using the S key to adjust its size as needed. Press Shift and A again and choose Text to add a text object into the scene. Select the text object and press Tab to enter edit mode. Remove the default word and type your desired text content. Press Tab again to return to object mode. With the text selected, open the Object Data Properties panel on the right side of the interface. In the Font section, adjust the font style if needed to match your design. Scroll down until you find the option called Text on Curve. Click the empty field next to it and choose the circle object you created earlier. The text will automatically follow the circular shape of the path. Adjust the offset value to change the position of the text along the path smoothly. Rotate either the text or the circle if the alignment is not correct or appears flipped. Finally, adjust the thickness of the text by using the extrude or bevel settings to create a more solid and visually appealing result for your circular text design. You can further refine the look by adjusting spacing between letters in the Text Settings panel for better readability. If the text appears too large or too small, go back to Object Mode and scale the text object proportionally using the S key again. Make sure the origin points of both the text and the circle are properly aligned so the transformation behaves as expected. You may also experiment with rotating the circle itself to control the starting point of the text path. For additional styling, consider enabling geometry options such as depth and resolution to smooth the curves of the text. Once satisfied, position the camera to frame your circular text clearly within the scene. Add lighting if necessary to highlight the shape and improve visibility. Finally, save your project to preserve your work for future editing or rendering purposes later.